The IGO Cam 85R is a dual-function dash cam featuring an additional rear-facing camera, giving you greater coverage by recording all action in front of and behind the vehicle. The Uniden IGO Cam 85R captures footage up to a massive 4K. You'll capture exactly what has happened in any incident, and the large 2.4-inch LCD colour screen for playback and menu setup means you'll see every detail. The ultra-wide view 160-degree lens adds to the field of vision available and provides an even greater chance of catching all the action. The IGO Cam 85R is powered by a supercapacitor. This provides a longer lifespan and wider range of operating temperatures than traditional lithium-ion batteries, making it better suited to harsh Australian conditions. It also provides enough backup power to ensure any recording in progress is stored safely before shutting the camera off. A GPS antenna inside the mount enables geotagging, recording the location and speed of the vehicle, and a large Speedo display for quick and easy reading of the current speed with minimum driver distraction means you're always aware of the speed being travelled. Built-in speed and red light camera warnings alert you to any upcoming fixed speed or red light cameras. WDR, or wide dynamic range, balances the light on days of high contrast or at night when lights are bright, giving you sharper footage and greater clarity. The IGO Cam 85R has a 2-channel recording capability with reverse camera. The reverse camera is full HD with a 130-degree field of vision, meaning you get great coverage in both directions. A footage lock protection feature means recorded footage is safe and locked off, so it can't be lost or recorded over. And an HDMI output means you can view your footage on a TV or monitor. Finally, the IGO Cam 85R is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to directly transfer footage, preview and even record via your smartphone or tablet using the free Uniden app for the dashcam. This is a handy feature as you don't have to take the micro SD card in and out to retrieve footage, and it can be done while in the car after each event or journey. Now that's smart. Capture the facts, not an opinion, and give yourself peace of mind with the IGO Cam 85R in-car dashcam from Uniden, leaders in in-car smart technology.